What affiliate products to promote in 2021? Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you that what affiliate products or what affiliate programs to promote in 2021. Right, guys? But guys, before telling you this, I just want to say that guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. So yes, if you are serious, then go and read my ebook. Down below there is a link, guys. Right? So guys, now here, without a delay, let me tell you what type of affiliate products that you need to promote, guys, or what affiliate programs or affiliate products that you need to promote. Simply, guys, I would say, guys, you have to promote the product, affiliate product, that pay you a recurring commission, guys. Yes, mean to say, you make all efforts to promote or to sell the product for one time, but you keep getting commission again and again, or you can say every month, till the subscription of the person whom you have sold your affiliate product, guys. So this is the beauty of promoting the product that pay you recurring commission, right? Or you can say you get the commission every month, right? Till the subscription of that very person, right? And second thing, guys, or guys, second type of product that you need to promote, that pay you high ticket commission, guys. At least you can say 300 to 1000 or more than that, guys. Yes, guys, here you need to understand this, guys. It takes same amount of efforts to sell $1 product or $1000 product, guys. It takes same amount of efforts. So why don't you sell the product, the affiliate product that pays you high ticket commission, right? So these are the two types of affiliate products or affiliate programs that you have to promote, guys, so that you can make affiliate commission, guys, right? First one, the product that pays you recurring commission. Second one, the product that pay you high ticket commission, guys, right? So these are the two types of products, affiliate products or affiliate programs, that you need to promote, guys, right? So yes, you can by the way, if you want to know the name of the affiliate product or affiliate program, then let me tell you, you can go with ClickFunnels, right? They pay you recurring commission if you want to make a recurring commission. And yes, if you want to make recurring commission, then yes, you can start promoting SaaS product, software as a service product, like Aweber, GetResponse, ClickMagic, right? You can promote these programs, right? Or if you want to make high ticket commission, so if you are, you can say, if you are from tier 1 country, then yes, you can go with legendary marketer program, right? Or you can you can, yes, it is not available in India, guys. Very frankly, it is not available in India. So if you are from tier 1 country like USA, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, then yes, you can promote this program, legendary marketer. And you can also promote partner with Anthony program. It is worldwide. It is worldwide program. So yep, you can promote it. So yep, with this program you get recurring commission as well as high ticket commission too, guys, right? And same thing with ClickFunnels, you get a recurring commission as well as high ticket commission too, guys, right? So this is what you have to consider, guys, while promoting affiliate products. Always promote the product that pays you recurring commission as well as high ticket commission, guys, right? So it's up to you, guys, right? So this is what I do, guys. Yes, so let me just show you the programs that you can go with, like legendary marketer, legendary marketer, right? It is not available in India, guys. Very frankly, it is not available in India. Yes, you can see their application, affiliate application. So here I'm talking about this program, guys, right? or can go with partner with Anthony. Partner with Anthony. It's a review, sorry, but we can get the link because he will be selling. Yep, you can see, right? And ClickFunnels, guys, I have recommended this program so many times, guys, and again because I believe in this program, guys, right? Russell Brunson is a great guy, so I promote him. I promote his products every time, guys. His trainings are great, guys. Right? So, ClickFunnels, right? Yeah, you can see. So there are, you can say, other programs too, guys, right? They pay you recurring as well as you can say high ticket commission too, guys, right? And yeah, you can go with Aweber, Get Response, right? Click Magic, Aweber, right? Yeah, you can go and check out Aweber. Yeah. Get Response, Click Magic, right? Click Magic. They pay you recurring commission, guys, right? You can see recurring. This one, Click Magic. It's a tracking software, guys, right? If you scroll to the bottom, then you will find, yeah, affiliates. So you can apply to that program. You will get 35% recurring commission, right, guys? So, guys, now you know what types of affiliate products to promote or what types of affiliate programs to promote, right? So yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, down below there is also a bell notification button. So go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yes, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go ahead, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button so that you can get a notification about my upcoming training, right? So yes, this is all about for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you and have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.